all you need to know about biosecurity. The hog industry plays a big role in agriculture and is facing a big challenge now due to African swine fever. One of the easiest ways to keep your farm safe is to practice biosecurity. Let's watch and learn from this video to know the guidelines on biosecurity. Avoid swill feeding and choose the right feeds for your pigs. Don't bring feed bags inside your farm. It's better to practice transferring the feeds in a container to ensure that it is safe from the virus. Ensure that your breeder is healthy. Observe downtime or quarantine your pigs before releasing it to the herd. Don't let anyone such as traders, visitors, and vehicles inside your farm. Take a bath and change your clothes before entering the farm. Use a separate set of clothes for your farm. Place fences or nets around your farm to stop wild animals and insects from entering the farm premises. Cleaning. First, ensure that there are no other animals around the area. Make sure that there are no other people roaming near the farm while cleaning. Take other unnecessary things away from the pen. Cover drainage holes to keep the contaminated water from spreading. Cover electric outlets using plastic to keep it from getting wet. If possible, transfer your pigs to another pen to clean the area thoroughly. Wear proper clothes such as boots and scrub suit or raincoat when cleaning. Scrape all the dirt on the walls and floors thoroughly. Using water and soap, start cleaning from the upper part of the pen downwards. Disinfection. After cleaning, we can now start disinfecting the farm. Prepare all the chemicals or disinfectant, the sprayer, the water, and other equipment needed for disinfection. Before starting disinfection, make sure that your cleaning solution is right. For the disinfectant, make sure to follow the prescribed use indicated on the packaging. Alternative solution if disinfectant is not available. Use pure vinegar without any additional water. Mix 1 kilo soda ash and 25 liters of water. If you are going to use bleach, use 1 tablespoon of bleach for every 1 liter of water. Continue spraying the disinfectant from the upper part of the pen downwards. Ensure that every corner of the ceiling, walls, and floors are sprayed thoroughly. Disinfection of vehicles used in the farm is also advised. Don't forget to clean the scraper, suit, boots, and other equipment used. After cleaning, keep the equipment on a container. Additional ways to protect your farm. place a foot bath on the entrance of the farm. It will ensure that all the people stepping inside the farm are disinfected. You can use an improvised one by using a cloth and a flat tray. To do so, add disinfectant solution on it and you can now use it as a foot bath. Now that we're engaged with the knowledge on biosecurity, let's be active and responsible in ensuring that our farm is always clean and safe from any diseases. Always communicate with your local animal health authorities, because as a farmer, you can do your part to stop the spread of ASF.